Okay, so I've just got this new 750 watt Hoover Purepower out today, and I've just been brushing my dog. So there's lots of hair around here. There's a lot of fine hair as well. I'm just going to see how well it'll pick it up. So I'll try one pass and see what happens. Just get up close to it here and then we'll see what happens. So, of course that's where the belt is, but the actual path where it's clean, for one pass, that's done a pretty decent job on the pet hair. And you see there's lots of very fine strands of hair there. I'll just go over the rest of it and see how well it does. So there you go. Absolutely spotless. So if you've got an animal, a dog or a cat, you have a lot of pet hair to vacuum up on your carpets, then you might want to have a think about the Hoover Purepower. I mean, for a budget end cleaner, that's very good performance for animal hairs because they are tricky to remove. Anyway, there you go.